Hello, my dear future chartered accountants. This is CA Chinmay Hegde, your learning partner in FR and SFM CA Final. Today, I'm happy for two reasons. One, stock market went as per my expectations, so I made decent profits in currency market, in derivatives, as well as in my spot market. And I'm also happy for my students because today, SFM paper, most of the students said they did well. And here are the few reactions. Okay, before that, this video is expression of my individual opinion only. ICAI has no stake in this. They have nothing to do with this. So few reactions what I've received from my students, for few of them for your pursual with their permission, of course. Today paper was super, all topics covered by you. uh, After reading the entire paper, thank you for your guidance, eternal supports, and other things are also there. uh, and as I just showed it to you, most people said everything was covered in classes. Even fast track students have told me most of the questions have covered in fast track. That was sure coincidence, but still, that's how we pick stock in stock market, and that's how we pick questions in examination point of view. And few of you also told many of questions from guest paper also come, at least similar questions. But we should always talk about data point. So what I'm going to do now, let's review the questions quickly. Most of the questions were from institute material, and I have done a compilation of all the questions from RTP, from MTP, previous year question papers from the year 2008, old syllabus, new syllabus, everything I've accumulated and made the book Hegde's Hedge. So I'm going to compare the questions what I've got with the question number of the textbook. You judge yourself the efficiency level. Again, I'm not claiming I created these questions. These questions are from the institute. I just arranged it in a logical sequence manner. During the course of it, I'll talk about it. So, question number one, this was about a foreign company coming into India. Lot of times this question was asked. A very simple reason. Somehow, most students don't answer this correctly. In fact, though this problem contains lot of foreign currency numbers, it is actually a capital budgeting from your IPCC level. Anyway, hope you have done. This is question 3, question 4 from Hegrede's Hedge. It was very similar, like it was $40 there, they made $90. Like those kind of changes. Question is very similar. Going further, okay, this was the full-fledged paper. It looks big, but it's a very easy problem. Question B, BSc Sensex. This is what I keep telling. Somehow students don't listen to me. Old syllabus students keep looking at new syllabus question paper. New syllabus students keep a track on old syllabus. You see, November 2020, as it is, same question without the change in data, and I've included by Hegde's Edge as well with the same data. Similar question is there in practice manual, previous question paper, no, but this is same question. And you know what is my, I keep telling my students, please do last 4 5 attempts question paper. Similar questions do come. Today paper is a beautiful example of that. So question number 102 from Hegde's Edge, as it is question from previous year question papers. Then strategy at different hierarchy level, I have done SFM marathon available in my YouTube channel, and all these theory questions are also covered there. Mr. Having a portfolio of shares 170 lakhs, this is also covered. You see, this is from November 2013, RTP November 2016, RTP November 17, RTP May 20, MTP May 2019. What else you want? Similar question, they have changed slight number. It was 85 lakh, they made 170 lakh, just double the numbers. Question number 37, Hegde's Hedge. Simple logic, my dear friends. History repeats. Be in stock market or be in SFM. S for stock market, S for SFM. Anyway, so coming to the next question, the easiest question you can expect. All in quotes, interest rate swap. You can solve it in 3 minutes. A child can solve this honestly. 3 minutes problem. This was for 8 marks. It was asked in November 2018 for 4 marks. I don't know how do they even get the mind to ask for 8 marks. There's absolutely nothing here. Absolutely nothing. November 2018, your own new syllabus, question paper, history, repeats. Please do the repeatedly previous year question papers. And if possible, try to buy my textbook, Hegde's Edge. If you are my students, you will have all these questions available for you. Question number 15, exact same question, you believe it or not. Go to this November 2018 question, exact same question. Maybe it was 2018 or 2021, 3 years, compounding happened. So 4 marks question became 8 marks. Okay, main features of value at risk, a theory question, simple question. We have discussed about value at risk in my SFM math theory marathon. This is debentures, bonds. This is about calculation of a sustainable growth rate. Again, from past question papers, November 2009, RTP number 213, question number 65 of Hegde's Edge. I must say this is same data, I think. If I remember, same data. Or they might have changed slightly. To my memory, it is same data as it is. And one thing I would like to tell regarding my Hegde's Edge, that is not just a compilation. It's a comprehensive compilation, and all the questions are ordered logically from the way in which you have to read. My students will support me on this. So do check this out. It will be useful for you. Because all the similar questions I've grouped it. It's not somewhere here, so not somewhere there, not somewhere there. All the similar questions you see, like question like this would have been followed by next question. So it will be easy for any student to follow the progress. Okay. This was new question. I mean, in the sense, concept I've covered in my class, but exact as it is with a similar kind of data I've not done. So I accept this was one new question. This again, 3 mutual funds. How many times question has come, and you believe it or not, this was RTP May 2010, question 24 of Hegde's Edge. There it was 50,000, 1 lakh, 50,000. They made 5 lakh, 10 lakh, 5 lakh. They just put 1 0 and given you the data there. Same kind of question, NAV calculation. You are required to calculate effectively, that's done. Conversion value of bond, percentage downside risk, conversion premium, conversion value. Look at this, how many times this question was asked. RTP number 15, MTP number 15, RTP 17, my 17, November 8, 8 marks, IMTP 18. And question number 58 of Hegde's Edge. And there it was 250 rupees, 265 rupees, 235 rupees. They put 1 0 extra and they made into a new question. Amazing, isn't it? Okay. And then explain PIT presentation in startup finance. We have discussed in theory marathon. Excellent, reported a profit using P ratio calculation. You have to compute PAT divided by number of shares. You get EPS into P ratio. You get market price. Dead easy problem. The easiest problem you can get. Question number 6 of Hegde's Edge. They also doubled the number. I think it was 70 lakhs sales. They made 140 lakhs. And history repeats. 2012 RTP, MTP. All questions were there. Coming to next, mutual funds, though they have given the beta, they have given the weights, you should compute the weighted beta. If the weight changes, how the beta changes. The simplest of all, question number 69 of Hegde's Edge, RTP 16, RTP 17, RTP 18, RTP 19, and examination question came. Easiest. Then long and acquiring to planetary merger problem. Basic problem, they have given EPS, DPS. So using, they have given growth rate, previous growth rate. So dividend based valuation you should do. Cost of acquisition, exchange ratio is so much, gain from acquisition. I would not say it's very exact same question, but in my first question I will cover all the various varieties. So I will say it's similar question. It's not exact same question, but similar question. Next, SKL Limited had a surplus of 150 lakhs. Okay, this is about buyback. This is from corporate valuation. I keep telling my dear friends, buyback, right shares, bonus shares. People ignore these 3 common points in corporate valuation and they keep asking this in exam. And this was again very similar question, 150 lakhs. There was 60 or 75 lakhs, I think. They doubled the numbers maybe. And look at this, May 2019, new syllabus question. And they've asked it. I don't want to repeat, but I want to repeat. Do previous year question papers. Nothing can substitute the CA level of question paper, because those question paper made so many chartered accountants today. That must have been a top notch level, right? So beyond MTP, beyond RTP, beyond my book, please do as much as possible previous year question papers. If not the same question, it will give you the idea, the level in which you are expected to perform in exams. And question like this do repeat. SFM, at least I can tell you with confidence, so many questions do repeat. This is a beautiful illustration. And question number 126 of Hegde's Edge. So, what is the takeaway with all these points? ICI is supreme. Every day you don't get easy paper like this. This was a lottery, this was a jackpot. But what I would like to tell you, my dear friends, in stock market we always have this. If the stock market is up too much in a day, next day have some control. Don't go in that flow. As we say, calm before storm. So if you have written the exams, be prepared. The next paper might be tricky. I don't say, bouncer, I don't say difficult, but might be tricky. So don't be in the top of the world just because you did SFM well. Just have focus on your next exams. And those who are going to write the exams, SFM paper was easy. So next time, be prepared for challenging questions. And for those who say, sir, where is new question? Where is new question? Where is new question? This is for the people who like, I want that stock to perform, that stock to perform, some small cap stock to perform in stock market. To do that, you need lot of research. Sorry, I should not carry it away to stock market. The amount of effort you put in for new questions is not worth because you give away the opportunity of solving so many easy questions. Having said that, next attempt, you might expect difficult questions, but which are those difficult questions which have come in the exam already in the past? There are so many questions, I would say. Some of the new variety questions I have already uploaded in my YouTube channel. The playlist available. Do watch it. The new kind of questions. Out of 10, 12 questions I have uploaded, even one or two questions comes in next exam. That can be the edge over others for you in exams. So, the conclusion from this discussion, trust the previous year question papers, trust history repeats, especially if difficult questions are there in previous question paper, that will have more probability. Having said that, I wish you all the best for your subsequent exams. Take care. See you. Bye bye.